Okay, we have a 1996 Honda Accord LX V6. The clock intermittently turns on and off. This is the clock here. And so we got it removed. Just that, please note that these two Phillips here, use a very good Phillips screwdriver to get it out. There's the tiny Phillips screwdrivers. And then in here, I found a solder that was somewhat loose on this last resistor here. It's the one that says 180 on it. So basically I resoldered this side over here was loose, so I resoldered everything. A lot of things. Hopefully it works now. And I even resoldered all these here. And then what I did to get those two screws out here, this is the screw I'm talking about. You need a lot of torque to put it in. And I just use this here and this size Phillip. I don't know what number it is, but I put a lot of torque in it before it strips the bolt. It's called a Phillip PH1. And maybe you can find one that fits exactly there. Just like snugs really good. Okay. Wish me luck.